Order for DDTV Media GH, Emma Yafefo na efishia pa. Yede Nyankopon wase se wode ye nkwa akyeye no wode abedru sampempenso. Na mmom na ye kai wo abonka ya se. Yare korela no a Ghana Health Service edibetu dwa no. Order for yare no enkoye. Eda so ewo system nim. Eda so ewo krom ha enti yesre wo se wobehwe wa hunidie so yie wedidie mu ena wunsuo nom esan se ye nyina ewo se obi atimi bɔ ne ho ban se de ebe ya yare korela yi wontimi enkofa bi eha DDTV Media GH on all social media platforms Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram baby DDTV Media GH enti best try no like no comment no wa share enso e de my order for ene de nyina ye ba besua de na ye tutu ye hofo enche ye ena Ghana Health Service edibetu dwa se yare korela no ate se e manipa be 800 ena enya sa yare bi ena ebi nso ahwere wo nkwa nipa be 14 ena ahwere wo nkwa na eno amanfo bi adwen ye wo se korela no ekọ order for yare no enkoye si ye de ani ekopie mu e wo secondary Takra the Western region ene ne patemu a yare no eda so wo honom a ade achi ade seni na amanfo enya yare ni bi na ye de wo eko hospital order for enkohwe enkra free enkra na sa manebo free secondary Takra the Western region e bye.
The cholera outbreak in Western region is getting out of control. Districts like Sekondi, Takoradi Metropolis, Efia, Kwesimintin, Shama, and parts of the Ahanta West district where residents are struggling to cope with the disease rapid spread, hospitals are overwhelmed, with some converting entire wards into cholera treatment centers.
Currently, about eight districts have reported cholera cases, and I must say that up to now, the facilities within these 8 districts have managed over 800 cases, and that is a lot. We have lost 14 people so far. Currently, the epicenter is Sekondi, Takoradi, Ekma, and adjoining districts, Shama, and then Ahanta West. So we are appealing to everybody to take the basic precautions that health people have been telling the population. It's so important. If you don't do that, we are going to lose more people. As soon as anybody starts getting these signs and symptoms, the person must report immediately to the nearest health facility. Please, there is no need to attempt to go to a bigger facility, the nearest facility. That's the most important thing. And we're also encouraging people, if you are getting ready to go to hospital, if there's ORS, let's prepare ORS and start taking it. But nobody should stay at home. We have realized that a lot of people are reporting quite late to a health facility, and this is resulting in deaths and other complications.
To combat the crisis, the Ghana Health Service is launching a mass vaccination campaign from December 15th to 19th in high-risk areas. Dr. Gifty Amugi is Deputy Director of Public Health. She explains the importance of the initiative.
The advent of the surge in the cases of cholera in the region, it has become very important that we vaccinate the populace. The reason is that the vaccination would improve or increase our immunity to the cholera infection. What we need now at this point is to drastically bring down the number of cases that we are getting for the cholera. I repeat that this is not the first line or the gold standard in controlling the cholera management or the cholera outbreak within the region.
Meanwhile, residents are calling for more urgent measures, including a declaration of state of emergency.
Graciously, I have seen the data and I have seen some cases. When you go to Takoradi Hospital, for example, all the wards have been converted to cholera centers. I don't see what Ghana Health Service is doing. I'm begging them, I'm entreating them. They should speak to the regional authorities so that at least we can declare a state of emergency so far as cholera is concerned at Sekondi Takoradi. Because almost every day, yesterday we lost about 3 people within the metro. Today we've lost, right now as I talk to you, it's almost 1. We've lost about 2 more. 1 at Kwesimintin Hospital this morning and 1 at Takoradi Hospital.
personally work in a health facility, so I can tell how serious the outbreak is, and it's actually killing people here. But I think due to the election, people didn't really know how serious the cholera outbreak was.
As a resident of Effiekuma, and knowing that that is also a very, it's part of the cholera-prone areas, it's a bit, I'm skeptical about eating outside.
They say poor sanitation and overcrowding in markets like Jubilee Park are exacerbating the crisis. From Sekondi Takoradi, I am Natalia Kwanzaa reporting for Joy News.
Video no ena meni winyina ya kwahwa balinti ye besere se ye nyina ye bebo ye ho ban na ye ma ye ho ni die ho ahia ye se de be ya echina bi ye ntimi enkonya ya re korela ni bi esan se ya re korela no se wunya bi a ubehu se de esitie ena omo santo kan se wo hwe na wo hu se unya symptoms bi wo nipadua ni mu a tutumrika na kwa clinic e ben wo anase se ORS ben wa ka bigu nsuom na nom ena se wo hu se nsunsuanso na odofo korela ya re no enye huhumu ya re eye hunamani yare esan say 1970 ena omudi kan discover cholera e wo Ghana ha say untu de mamemfa ma yenyina yemfam yes ya cholera no sha say ema na homene so eni nipa dodo enya bi samre no 1982 enipa 15032 ena nya yare cholera ni bi ena 1999 enipa 9000 ena nya cholera ena emu 250 ewuye ena yeba 2014-2015 na just almost 18 hakrase and that year no 2014-2015 and a cholera no emma ne homene so kese enya asem ketwa esan says 2014-2015 enipa 28,922 and enya 2014-2015 and enipa 243 ewuye na baby a amanfo nya yare ni bi pa na ye Greater Accra nti ye besere yare no se wunya bia emfa ntena fie na enye se eye huhumu yare e wose me yesi da bi se wunya bia ma honye ha ne kuhu doctor na onhwe wo okọ na se ka se enye bia yare kro na eye wo no o doctor ebe treat you se ye korela nso na o magye wo ato honom na o metimi a treat you esan se uwo bi na uditifi a eye ensan yare fane se o your bad time na wo sha se enya symptoms no bet unko hospital unko clinic na wo obi a omma ebemben wo matartaro ho a ombetimi enya bi enti hu sa sunsuanso na emfa nya na me frame so for da bi ko hospital ana ko clinic eben wo na doctor enkohwe mo as to December 23rd na enipa 4155 ena Ghana Health Service esusu se omo yare ni bi ena enipa 35 ena ahwere wo nkwa enipa 35 na omo ahwere wo nkwa no emu 17 eye nkrofo a omo free Western region ana say omo te Western region say ye hwe ebra afiwe mu ebra cholera yare ni eyi ni ti wo Ghana ha say ya September nim ena nipa ba ko yare no ko hospital na che so dru ba doctors ko hwe no na eye symptoms omo hwe a sa cholera ni bi ena nipa no enya ene sesese atiete sa ekon esan se eye ensan yare obi de eye no wonim se eye cholera usu hu ni se oba unua umami bi na yare enti o kohwe no ubehu na wo so akonya bi enti yesre obia hwe ne husu yie na oma ne doctor ho ne hospital ko ehunhia no enti na fie ema ne nya too late na obedru ho no na obehwere onkwa eba ne sa wa amwa wo ho na one ye hwe ye hu ne die yie ye duane a ye die ye nsuwa a ye no Senema we se one yen here, a bit near my one yasakurilla ni be one. Drinking contaminated water. And so be one well you say in sui and yet. But in come doing tea and answer with your environment now. Sans so nana will be nano. And more a bit me ama wenya. Ya real corilla ni be a sign say what say bacteria ever sans when you and so be to say rivers, any lake, any Ebola musu, no bet me any be. Sansuna obi decontaminated food ebiane na sai pa enso osikohwie gudie enka medi ayare ubedi ayare wani betew no na wo da hospital sanso na poor sanitation and hygiene o mantemu ehwa fufu gata bi da ofi achi ensu chese enfie bebrenie munti gata ni ubetimi enya yare cholera ni bi we say one free and once na is a free gata no so no maba be si wadua no so ne ya be si wonsu na wasan so akwa akonom e na direct contact eno na medical kan no obi nya bia wo so ne mu wo ye ne sei o ma na so wo ye ne sei no eno so betimi ama wanya sa correla ni bintimi sira o hye ne so e ma me e na contaminated surface say bia obi wo honom a na obi anya bi na okososo nipa ni mu na wo so na ha eno so ubetimi anya bi and other risk factors traveling to ena na America wo baby a eho ase edom wo honom edom ho se obi wo bi na wo kotwetwe no ne ade a ubetimi anya bi se bia wotutu kwan akọ baby a sa ya re ne ye yi wo hono ena mo ma yi se baby ti se Africa, Asia and Latin America e say udi chima ubenya bi wo hono ena mo sa say weakened immune system obi over the immune system no aye weak oni aduane pa oni fruits oni vegetables say ni pa no ubetimi enya bi ebeye easy say ubenya sa na ema we nyina bi nti sorry am no munsuo pa na nsuo no munsuo a eye kokoronsa e wa bra wa free ejanai bia na so kwa toilet aba no kokoronsa ukogu nsuo kora kokoronsa na didiye di aduane a the fruits na the vegetables and as obi nso nya bia susu bembe nipa na wo mantem nso na siesie ho kama dodo wo fikyire yi wo gatamu eba ne sa unya bi intodofo ye nyina ye hwe we na ye hye na so aya no wa hye enso ama obi enya bi ahwe ne nyina yetimi esua de ha e diditi bi media GH makram medasi.